Welcome to JDM Motor Vibes, your ultimate stop for the latest reviews, in-depth specs, and unique insights into both Japanese icons and global automotive machines that stir the soul. Today, we shift gears to explore a model that blends luxury, utility, and rugged performance in a unique way, the 2025 Mercedes Benz X Class. A premium pickup truck with German engineering at its core, the X Class brings sophistication to the world of workhorses and adventure vehicles. The 2025 Mercedes Benz X Class has been refined inside and out while keeping its bold personality intact. The exterior design is muscular yet elegant, with a prominent grille featuring the large three-pointed star, aggressive LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that reflect its dual purpose as both a utility vehicle and a lifestyle statement. The new model sits higher with improved ground clearance, underbody protection, and available off-road packages, making it more capable than ever before. Whether you are driving through city streets or tackling off-road trails, the X Class exudes presence and confidence. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a variety of powertrains for the 2025 X Class, catering to different markets and needs. The base variants come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine, delivering solid torque and fuel efficiency for daily hauling and longer journeys. The more premium trims feature a powerful 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, producing upwards of 255 horsepower and over 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission that offers excellent power delivery and refined highway cruising. For off-road enthusiasts, Mercedes includes a selectable 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and multiple terrain modes. On-road performance is another strong suit of the 2025 X Class. Despite its size and rugged design, the truck handles remarkably well thanks to its independent suspension setup and a well-tuned chassis. Whether navigating sharp curves or driving on loose gravel, the X Class maintains stability and driver confidence. The ride comfort is also excellent for a pickup truck, with improved cabin insulation and updated suspension components that reduce road noise and vibrations, offering a near SUV-like experience inside. Step into the cabin of the X Class and you're greeted by a blend of utility and luxury. High-quality materials such as leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and soft touch surfaces give the interior a premium feel. The layout is ergonomically designed with all controls within easy reach. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a high-resolution 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest MBUX interface. It offers navigation, voice control, wireless smartphone integration, and access to various vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to monitor key performance data or enjoy a minimalistic display. Comfort and practicality are top priorities in the 2025 X Class. The seats are designed for long-haul journeys with great support and optional heating and ventilation. Rear seat space is generous for a double cab configuration, and the interior features plenty of storage compartments for tools, gear, or personal items. The truck bed is versatile, featuring durable materials, tie-down points, optional bed liners, and even a 230 volts power outlet for on-the-go work or recreation. Payload and towing capacities are also competitive, making this truck as practical as it is luxurious. Technology and safety are well integrated into the new X Class. It features a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Advanced driver assistance systems work together to ensure safety whether you're navigating tight city streets or off-road terrain. Mercedes has also included connected services that let you monitor your truck remotely through a smartphone app, schedule maintenance, or track fuel consumption and driving behavior. In terms of customization, Mercedes-Benz offers a wide variety of trims, wheel designs, exterior paint options, and off-road packages. You can build the X Class to suit your lifestyle, whether you need it for business, adventure, or personal luxury. Optional features like roof racks, side steps, and enhanced lighting further increase the utility and visual appeal of the truck. For those looking to stand out, AMG-style accessories and styling kits are available to add an extra layer of sportiness and aggression to the overall design. Fuel efficiency is another point of progress in the 2025 model. Thanks to improvements in engine technology and aerodynamics, the X Class offers better fuel economy compared to previous years, with figures ranging from around 24 to 30 mpg depending on the variant and usage. This makes it a viable option not only for heavy-duty tasks but also for everyday driving. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Benz X Class is a well-rounded luxury pickup that brings together performance, design, technology, and practicality. It's a unique offering in the pickup segment, appealing to those who demand more from their truck without compromising on comfort and refinement. Whether you're navigating urban jungles or off-road terrains, the X Class is built to handle it all with confidence and class. Thank you for watching today's review on JDM Motor Vibes. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes Benz X Class, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome reviews, features, and updates from the automotive world.